Single attached ba ang hanap mo na may malaking lote, exclusive ang subdivision, prime location dahil along highway ka lang? Well-known ng developer kaya sure protected ang investment mo? If yes, then sure akong magugustuhan mo si Amayascapes here in General Trias, Cavite. Continue watching kasi may goodness ako para sa'yo. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another house tour. Sa nga si Single Home 60 sa pinakamabenta naming unit right now. Paano ba naman kasi? Ito na yung pinakamura nating single attached here in Gentry, Cavite. Plus, alam mo ba na minimum lot size nito is 100 square meters at ang floor area ay 60 square meters naman at syempre fully expandable ang bahay. At alam mo ba kung ano ang goodness natin dito? Sa dami na nag-aabang ng pre-selling unit here kay Amaya Gentry, finally, we are now accepting letter of intent for our Sector 6 inventory. Take advantage kasi ito na yung last inventory na ilalabas natin for this community. Kaya sure, paunahan na naman ang mga buyers dito. At kung ang hanap mo naman, RFO, meron pa tayong available na nare-reopen with 5% down payment, payable for 6 months yan ha. Plus, meron ka pang 100 up to 200,000 discount. Kaya naman sulit na sulit talaga si Amaya Single Home. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!